70?
Special law, 177 minutes. I filed my NOC Wakala today. It's a clear
Police
case.
ತಾನೆ ಅವರು.
Earlier criminal petition in number 9384 of
No,
18 dismissed.
There are
Lord, what has happened?
orders passed by two coordinate benches. That is page 34.
6 minutes.
The other one is by the present petitioner.
Is- I had-
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
The
Generally,
presented,
during the crime stage, I had approached this court minutes.
ಹ್ಮ್.
In 2000, there have been admittedly differences between these employees, and everything happens within the employment setting minutes. The respondent number 2 complainant is the doctor in the very PHC Malad, where I am the pharmacist. She has filed this against 8 of them. A clear case of abuse of SCST Prevention of Atrocities Act, where in 2016, I had given a complaint which was made into a CMS. And this court had directed that along with investigating the present case, my allegations of 2016 also should be investigated. Would your lordships kindly see that at page,
What accused were you in 591 of 2018?
my lord, 591,
That's the crime.
please,
In what accused were you?
only one crime, my lords.
One crime ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು.
Other accused number 4, my lords.
Accused number 4 and
Accused number 5.
5 minutes.
5.
5.
Now come to page 41. Crime stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರ?
ನಾವೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು.
Approach dismissed.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ನೀವೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? petition?
43 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Page 43 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Justice Dinesh Kumar.
Just ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್
ಹೌದು,
ಅವರು.
ಹೌದು, ಹೌದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ kindly see the effective petitioner's grievance is that she also gave a complaint on May 2016 in the
That
same.
is grievance was your complaint ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ
Did you
direction.
challenge the crime in crime
There
number
was no need.
591?
There was no need because this honorable court itself said the learned advocate submits that the petitioner would be satisfied if an appropriate direction is issued to the police station to investigate the petitioner's complaint along with annexure A.
All right.
Submits till day. So basically, as a case and counter case, it had to be somewhat of that nature, it had to be investigated.
That's all right. Yes.
Nothing, no investigation has happened in my complaint, which was prior in point in time. However, the later complaint
Hmm.
has been charge sheeted.
Now, the crime is 591 of 2018.
Please. In that,
That is why I'm asking you, come to
Please.
page 41.
we had challenged that lots. Lot 591 was challenged in this case. During the course of arguments, we mentioned that
Come to paragraph 10 sir, at page 41.
41. Please, these are the other accused lots.
That is why.
Accused-
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, finding ನೋಡಿ. The
Uh,
investigation against the other accused shall continue.
Please. Please. My lord, the investigation shall continue. That has finally resulted in the filing of the charge sheet.
Where is,
Now I am questioning the charge sheet. my lord.
where is that?
Twenty-six minutes,
29.
please. 29 is the column 7.
Yes.
There is another issue, my lords. One of the sections which has been invoked is section 186, which is barred under 195 unless there is a prior sanction that could not have been, no cognizance could have been taken. Obstruction. in
You
the-
were accused number 5.
5.
5 and
I'm only 5 minutes, only
Only
one
5.
petitioner, please.
who were before the court?
My lords, so far as the quashing is
Accused
concerned,
number 6
6
and
and
8.
8. Their cases have been finally quashed. In the crime stage itself.
No, I know.
It is.
What is the allegation against 6 and 8?
My lord, 6 and 8 is that they had,
Reason for me to ask,
please,
what are the allegations against them?
my lords, that they entered while there was a galata happening inside the hospital. They representing a certain organization entered.
Aitu, what is the allegation against you?
It is at page 19, my lords.
No, in the crime stage.
Please, crime itself, the complaint itself.
Page 15 ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Please. 15 is the excerpt notes.
whatever. Yes.
Please.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
My lords, no specific statement, my lords, except that ಈ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು 1.5 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಾದ
The petitioner is accused number 5, heard the learned counsel Nitin Ramesh appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is accused number 5, a pharmacist at the primary health center in Makali. He is along with others, she is along with others alleged of the offences punishable under the IPC and the Atrocities Act. Accused number 6 and 8 had approached this court. Against them, the proceedings are quashed on the score that the offences alleged under the Atrocities Act is an abuse of the process of the law. A perusal at the complaint would indicate identical offense against the petitioner as well. The petitioner did not choose to challenge the matter at the crime stage. The accused 6 and 8 having challenged and the offense being, the allegations being similar, permitting further proceedings now against this petitioner on the score that the charge sheet has been filed will become an abuse of the process of the law. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by the 6th of August.
My lords, only one small error, my lords. I had come before this. court.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಓದಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. And
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
my lords, this.
ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
allegation.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ. 591,
Seamus
591,
ನೋಡಿ.
kindly see page 44.
See, CMS, what is it?
CMS came up in the course of arguments. So what the honorable court said was crime 591 ಮಾಡಿ, CMS ಮಾಡಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Page 44. 4th line on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th line on top. What I sought for is the same crime number to be quashed.
It was not quashed then.
It was not quashed, but then the crime stage.
ಅದು
Crime stage.
ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೇನು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. We'll see on Friday. List on Friday in the fresh
My lords,
matters.
let there be a stay, my lords. 190.
On Friday.
Cognizance order.
On
is-
Fridays, yes.
Um,
List
my
on
lord,
Friday in the fresh matters.
A direction to show my name, my lords. I filed one.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ. Registry to print the name of Nitin Ramesh as appearing for the petitioner in place of Siddeshwar. Yes.
178.
For petitioner, sir, father-in-law, mother-in-law, and elder
Tag
sister.
this petition along with criminal petition